Chapter 1 Introduction. EON Creator is a tool that allows users to build interactive learning simulations for training, education, and presentation purposes. So now we will go through the workflow where we need to do to make a fun interactive presentation or meeting. First, we must prepare our 3D content. We can get it from EON Experience portal at www.eonexperience.com, or we can add our own local 3D files, for example 3ds files or max files, and then export it using EON Raptor into EOP format. Then we can import it to EON Creator and build an interactive environment. And the second way is to create your own customized 3D scenes within EON Creator by adding objects from local contents and online contents. And the last one is, after you have done with the new environment, you can do two things. First, to set the stereoscopic configuration and present it using projector and 3D classes. Or the second one is to save and import it to EON Coliseum to have an online meeting with other users. And for your information, EON Coliseum is an online meeting software where users can create and customize their virtual environment, share contents, and schedule real-time meetings. So this is the workflow from portal to creator and then to Coliseum for online presentations, or from portal or local to creator and then to offline or optional stereoscopic presentation. Now I'll run through the user interface of EON Creator. Under the File tab, we have New, Open, Save As, Close, Import Content, Manage License, Preference, and About EON Creator. And if you don't have any license, you can get it from EON Reality Support by clicking this Request License. And we also have Scene Editor tab. Under this tab we have Tools, Log Objects, Modify Objects, Navigation Modes, and View. Under the Camera tab we have Stop Position, Screen Capture, Avatar Position, and under the Stereo configuration we have Stereo Settings. Under the Coliseum tab we have Presentation Screens. For the Scene Editor, Camera, and Coliseum tabs will be covered with another chapter of the tutorial. So now we go back to the Stereo configuration. Well, stereo produces two individual pictures, one for each eye. Special hardware is required to deliver the two pictures to each eye individually. So to set the stereo, we go to EON configuration and choose Render, Edit, and Stereo Settings, and change the stereo mode to Quad Bubble. Close, Apply, and OK. And we also have Toggle Stereo Off is to turn off the stereo configuration. We also have Swap Eye, swap the left and the right eye images when doing stereo rendering, and we also have Optimize Stereo. It's to set the eye separation width from 0 to 100, and we also have Change Clipping Plane. It's to set the near and far clips of the simulation. And we also have Set Zero Parallax. This field is used to define the distance from the camera when we want zero parallax. Zero parallax means that the images from the left and the right eye coincide. This means that any object that at the specified distance is perceived to be at the screen plane. Any objects closer than this value seem to be located between the screen and the observer. Objects further away seem to be located inside the screen.